From your weather authority, here's meteorologist Greg Flint.
Good morning to you. 10 minutes now till the top of the hour. That's a look at Edinburgh. Weather watcher Lori says there's a halo around the moon. So check that out. As the clouds start to increase, halo around the moon, rain or snow soon. It's going to be rain today. Temperatures getting into the 40s. Starting out, though, in the 30s. The wind is calm, but we'll notice the breeze start to pick up out of the south and east as the rain builds in by midday and then into the afternoon. Slightly colder air returning midweek. Might be a rain or snow shower this time tomorrow morning. And then the January thaw. Temperatures with a bullet, man, going into the 50s to near 60 on Friday. But you know, it has to. It has to get colder. Has to go back to winter, and it will going into next week. Speaking of snow, so for the season, 34.7, that is technically below average. Now, these are for the airport, and I had a couple of emails. Why do we measure at the airport? Well, because think of meteorology as one big science experiment, right? You have to have that control, and you can't pick up that control and move it around because it skews the numbers. Some more numbers for you. Super cold air recently in the 20s. We did make it to 40 yesterday. Look at where we go, though. Mid-40s today, little chillier tomorrow, and then a blowtorch Thursday, Friday, 50s to near 60, even into Saturday, and then colder weather returning heading into Sunday. Here's a look at radar now. There were a few mixy showers well to the north, moving away. See ya. They're up into western parts of New York State. Now we're going to be watching for the rain to build in through the afternoon as this broad west and southwesterly flow continues, ushering in the milder air. So watch as we go. There it is, lunchtime. Raining I-90 corridor, down the I-79 corridor. This will be light rain, nothing we can't handle. Then watch as we go into tonight. Colder air comes in, so there might be a few wet flakes around tomorrow morning. Minimal, if any, accumulation, and that should move on. And then, like I've been saying, it's just that same old gray sky heading into tomorrow. A little colder tomorrow. Rainfall amounts, like I said, nothing major, so we're not concerned about flooding, a tenth to maybe up to a quarter of an inch. 7-day forecast. Rain for the afternoon, 46. Gray sky on Wednesday, rather. Now, Wednesday morning, this time when we're together, might be talking about a few wet snow showers, but any accumulation's minimal. The sun, it's back. Mwah! Good to see that guy again on Thursday as temperatures get into the 50s. There's the wet weather on Friday and near 60, which is not unusual. Well, I mean, it is unusual to get that warm. What I'm saying is it's not unusual to have rain when it gets that warm in January. Even into the weekend, Saturday's still mild but rainy. Temperatures fall through the trapdoor. So Sunday, lake effect snow returns. It doesn't look like it's going to be much, but it's definitely turning colder as winter returns going into next week. Mid-30s Sunday. Crisp, chilly air Monday, drying out, sun and clouds. Highs will be in the mid to upper 30s.
And now Jet 24 Sports with Mike Fenner.